This video will show you how to eliminate noise on the Oster fast feed in one area. This is the guide and this is the pressure plate. When the guide kind of moves back and forth and vibrates, it creates this loud annoying noise that you'll hear. I'm also going to show you how to zero gap the clippers. So first we're going to use some metal shears to cut the bottoms off the pressure plate. I'm going to cut these at an angle on the bottom just to give more distance to make it easier when I try to adjust. I also will put my hands over it sometimes just so I can block the little piece from flying in the air after you cut it. Now we have both sides cut, but the metal is still a little bent because of the cutting device. So we're going to need to fix that before we move on. For this, we're just going to use some needle nose pliers and just straighten out the bottoms real quick. Make sure they're going to be even and straight as you insert it back into the Oster. Shouldn't take you long at all. We're going to move on to the next step where we're going to eliminate the sound. For this, it would be very simple, just a little Gorilla Super Glue. We're going to glue on the pressure plate to the guide, so there's no more movement. This should eliminate the sound. I have been altering clippers for almost 20 years and I have a lot of different tricks to take away noise, speed up clippers, make them high performance, and we'll be doing a lot more videos on how to mod some of our famous clippers. So do log in and try to see some others if you get a chance. We're going to take a little of the super glue and we're going to put it into the crack of the guide. We're going to make sure that it's inside very well, so we got a good bonding. Now we'll put some glue onto the pressure plate. By having glue on both the guide and the pressure plate, the two will bond together really well. Now just put the two together and apply a little pressure to make sure they all stick together. You could use your toothpick to clean up the edges if you want for looks, but it's really unnecessary. There we go. The item is set and it's dry now. Now we can put it back together in the clipper. I like to set it so I could see the holes to the pressure plate a little above the screws. This will allow the blade to be a little more higher on the guard, which will give you the zero gapping. As we can see here, both blades are zero gapped. This mod is very easy to do and doesn't take much time at all. These clippers are zero gapped, and with that super glue on the guide, there's a lot of quietness now for these clippers. I hope these help out your Osters, and I have a lot more mods, like I said, so please check out my future videos. Thank you.